I am alive. Finally, I'm alive. Okay, let me just start to say. I don't know why it does this. It just changed from to a darker screen. I'm alive. Finally, it was a struggle to get here, but I'm here. Okay, let me just bring some context. Okay, so I am still bullish. I do think price wants to go all the way up to 2761. Maybe not today, but it's been bullish for since this morning. As you can see here, broke. I actually took a trade this morning. Um, right here, stop loss is there. Once it broke out here, waited for this pullback, and then it started to push forward. As you can see, it pushed all the way down. My TP2 was actually around here. So I'm gonna delete that now because we are currently here. We have a clear breaking structure here. That's why the arrow is here. And this is my zone. I'm just waiting for it to pull back and give us a good rejection. And then yeah, we're gonna look for buys. So let me just change this. Let me just check. Okay, I'm just wanna send this. Let's see. I'm gonna share my there's a link with my group of traders, so they can also join the live. Welcome to the live. Looking at gold, I took a trade this morning. Made some money here on this one. This was my trade. Like I just showed you guys now. Let me show you. So I took a trade from here, and this was my TP, and yeah. Now we're back at it again. Let me just change this to a dark theme. Okay, so we live on YouTube. I'm waiting for this pullback. Oh, man. It's not gonna work. Hmm. Let's see what gold's gonna give us tonight. We're just waiting for that pullback. trying to get in around here. Let me give you some context. So we are we are still strong bullies. It's a bullies market. We have this perfect strong break of structure here, and we see a pullback. We're expecting a pullback now, and then I'm looking to enter around 2736, and then stop loss. Stop loss will need to be around 2733, and then first TP don't need to go so far. We one is two is 2742, one TP1 and TP2. But let's see, because gold has been bullish the whole day. It might not give us what we want. So let's see. Hi, Jeremy. I'm good, thanks. I'm good. Hi, Jeremy. I'm good, thanks. Sorry about that. It's on my other phone. Trying to get used to these things. I'm planning to take a trade on gold tonight. If gold gives us a good setup, um, I'd like to see gold push back to 2736, coming all the way down. Still early. I'm expecting it to move here from 7, maybe in 15 minutes time. So let's see. Someone is chatting to me now. Okay. Now I did say to my group now that this was supposed to be the first entry, right? We actually missed a beautiful break and a retest, and it's pushing up now. So I was hoping to see gold come back down for us to get another entry. So I don't know what is gonna happen. So let's see. I'm expecting a pullback, but it might just be too late. However, it's still early for me, and my entry is normally at 7. Yeah, but gold was bullish this morning. I said this morning before the analysis now. I want to show you something. Maybe I must show you guys this thing. Before I took this trade this morning, my stop loss actually got it. So this was where I wanted to enter. Then my stop loss got it. I actually re-entered on this trade. Um, so I like I said I re-entered, and then this is what happened on that trade. And it actually, as you can see, it went past 273306 where my TP2 was. It's now paused. It's now gold is currently at 2741. So it's a big spike, right? From this morning's trade. Oops. I also look at GBP USD at times, even though I don't trade it. I took it, but as you can see here, I also was waiting for price to break. I never entered here, but this was where my zone was. But then came all the way down. This was GU, and then once it started to break, that was the time when I actually entered gold. And look where it's now. Pause my TP. But yeah, we are actually on the gold setup tonight. But that's the trade I'm looking to take now. Someone is trying to call me. We must another entry here now. I just saw 70 pups. I just saw this now on the 5 minute. Uh, oh wow, this is actually good. Tough luck. Everybody was gone for free. Let's see if it comes back to 274. Pullback is. I would rather want to enter here instead of here so high, 274 today. This 276 36. 38. See there now, no? We must have entry again. Look at that. That was a perfect entry here. I could kick myself because I missed the entry. I missed that beautiful entry there. Shit, man. And you can see it's heading to 2747. But 2761 is the ultimate. You see how bullish gold is? Gold is ultimately bullish. I took this trade from here this morning to there, to this blue line. Gave us a nice break here also. Nice break pullback. Nice place to get in. And now it left without us. I'm literally watching this trade live playing out. And I didn't take it set up. But like I said, I took this morning's buy as well, so I am satisfied with it. Let's wait for a pullback and for a better entry. Then I will definitely. Graham, what do you mean when you say the YouTube notifications is not up to date? I'm not sure what you mean, man. Yo, I must just good trade the entry at 2740. Um, I was waiting for that pullback. So you can see here on the 15-minute now. This was my gap here. I took this one this morning. I'm gonna wait for it to pull back here around 2740.9. So what do you mean? Like 24 minutes. What's happening with my phone though? I said gold is like it's just running. Oh, that's what you mean with your notifications. Yeah, looks like there's a delay even on my side because I am checking now. Like I struggle to get onto the live now tonight. Okay, it looks like it's pulling back now. So I like that week. That week is telling me that it strongly wants to come back. To be honest, if it comes at least to 2741 now, that's where I'll look to enter. But my stop loss will be very tight because I'm just weary. We must just enter here. So it might come all the way back to this area. So yeah, I'm just gonna be patient now. It's 7. It's 7 now, so let's just wait for that. Let's wait. If the when I change to a dark mode now, it looks like you can see the chart like, and even the candles clearer. Even myself, I can see myself a bit better. Oh, Graham, I hope you can sort that out. I don't really know. On my channel, when you go to the YouTube studio, there I just select all notifications on. If you I know about notifications. If you select personalized, you won't all get all the notifications. You have to, when you subscribe to a channel, you need to select. Um, I think the first option. Do not select personalized. Yes, I'm still live. Yeah, I'm trying to send the link, but this link is weird. You see, this was my original entry where I wanted to enter, but I'll have to change it now. Damn, look at that. Yo, we must have perfect entry. Let me just listen to this voice now. Graham and Jeremy, did you guys take the trade this morning, the bull trade? Bullish trade. I took a trade during London session. It was a nice bull run. So it was from here to 722. Um, and I do think it wants to stop here at 2747. We're just now waiting for that nice pullback. Okay, give us that pullback, man. It look like she's playing, huh? Damn, I was really. I wanted it to pull back, but it looks like it's going to OTP. So we can get a better entry, but yeah, we should have entered around 2740. And it doesn't look like it's going to give us a pullback straight to the TP area, 2747. Like I said, it's fairly very bullish. So let's see if we get a pullback. We can enter around 2741 once it rejects off that area. If not, then gold is leaving us tonight. It's going to TP. Even here, when I saw this entry here, I should have like just get in. Would have been up now on this tour. I like to go for the one is the 3608. Let's see, maybe we get a pullback, you never know. Then we can enter. I'm strongly bullish because higher time frames, as you can see, this is based off this break here. But what price can do, we never know. We don't know when price is going to come back to retest this gap here. But if you look at a pullback, this was early, so I wasn't on the charts here. But then when it broke again, it gave us a pullback in this at this area. As you can see here, pulled back into retested right at this break, and then it started to push up. So this week looks good. I am thinking if it comes back to 2741, I would like to enter. Okay, let's wait and see. Let's bring this a bit to the side. Yes, we're trading gold. It's gold. So let's wait for it to push back to 2741. At least today, then we get a better RR. And if it rejects, I'm gonna get in with a buy. Oh, hi Patricia. If we check on the 15 minute now, it looked like it was close to our TP already, but now it's pulling down. If it gives us that strong pullback to 2741 and gives us a rejection, we can still make like 1:3. Okay, yeah, that's a beautiful pullback. I don't want to miss that entry again, so I'm making myself ready once it hits 2741, 2.28 or 30, 30, 2741. Now enter. Okay, that pullback is good. Let me just see here. You see it. Now I think it's gonna come even back to where we originally wanted it to come, not 27. Oh, I need to delete this. This is wrong. That was our initial entry. See, you see, I wanted it to come back all the way here. But if we get an entry at 2741, I'm gonna get in. At 15 minutes looks so good. If it even comes to 2740 around here, oh, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna open a position now. I'm in with one position. I think it can come back more. I'm in. Right, we are in. So I would like it to come back more, then I'll add another position. But then my TP is around 27. Let me just check here. My TP1 is gonna be around 2745. TP2 is 2747. So it looks good. That rejection is just so good. If you entered on this, you must be in profit now. That rejection is so good. That was a really great rejection. So I'm up in profits. Would have been nice if it can come like you see it came all the way to 2741. Ah, Let's go, gold. So I'm gonna take 27. Let me just check here. 27. What did I say? 2724 now? 2745. So it's coming back more. If it comes back here to 2740, I'll enter another position. You can still enter when it comes to that area. Just use proper risk management. Don't risk your full account on one trade setup. I always say that. That's what keeps me in the game in consistent is my risk management. I don't go too big. The market can do anything. Yes, the strategy is good, but the market can do anything. So you must always plan. I'm aware that we have been bullies for a long time, so price pulling back like this and that rejection looks good. Okay, it's coming to 274. Oh, let me just give my stop loss area some breathing space here. 27, what is it? 2793. I always try to put my stop loss below the structure, as you can see, according to structure. I know exactly when structure will become invalid. Once structure becomes invalid, it means your trade will not play out. Let's see where that candle is gonna close now. Oh, sorry, man. Up now in nice profits. Let's go. So I actually wanted to get in around here, but I missed it. And then I waited for this for the pullback, and now I got in at 2741, 4141, right here. And now my TP1 is around here. It's 1:2 rusty reward, and then my TP2 is here. Beautiful. Let me just check. Ooh, here we go. Let's go. It's gonna hit our TP1 now. Yeah, TP1 is close to my TP1. 1, 2, 3. It's about to hit 2745.5. That's my TP1. I'm gonna take some profits off it there by TP1. Ooh, lovely. I do think it wants to go to 2747. TP2, our TP2 might get it. That's good. That's good. Push, go, push. You see there. She's moving strong. And if you check on the 15-minute also, so it wants to break this week here. Wants to go past. There we go. Beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I'm taking some profits now. Once it hits here. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna hold a little bit. I do think it wants to come past this 1 week. Our TP1 is hit 2745. TP1 hit. Yeah, beautiful. It's nice to get messages like this. She took the trade with me now. All right. I do think it wants to go to a TP2 at 2747. If we can make it, be nice. Let's see it. Look at. Now you see, that's why my TP1 was there. I do think it's gonna pull back first before it hits 2747. But it's definitely moving. If we look on the higher time frame here, no? This move is not done yet. This candle is not done yet. This is on a 15-minute. This 15-minute wants to break here 2745. This candle is not done yet. As you can see, that's a strong bullish candle that closed there. I'm holding one on my. I'm holding a bit. I'm actually very much satisfied for the day because I had a good trade this morning also. My profits, that's why I have a TP1 and a TP2. I always take profits at TP1s so that when the pullback happens, that you at least feel comfortable to hold your other positions. Because we all know how it is to be in a live trade and you've been up and then you start making less money. So you always feel a bit better when you have taken some profits off. Then you know at least, okay, I'm comfortable now with holding it a little bit more. Yeah, I knew it's gonna pull back there at my TP1 area. So now is the patients coming in. Let me check up on. Got some messages to say there. Some took profits, some still holding. The 15 minute is still strong, so see, I knew it's gonna pull back. Once you understand market structure, now you can the trading becomes a little bit easier, but not the psychology. Analyzing becomes easier, but not psychology. I knew it's gonna pull back now, and then let's what be patient. The fact that this 15-minute candle closed like this, if I was now, if it comes below here, then it might be risky to hold below here. But this is just a pullback. It's going to continue up now. I believe that was just a pullback. It's gonna hit the TP2. So TP2 is 2747. 2747. See, it's testing this high now. Testing this high to go up. Come on, go. We know you want to push up. You see where that candle did not close below that previous high. And that means it's still bullish momentum. I want to see where that previous 15-minute candle closed. Like I said, price was very bullish for the whole day since this morning. So if it reverse, I first think it wants to come test here and then reverse. So yeah, let's just wait and see. Exactly. That's a deep pullback, right? I want to see where the candle's gonna close. Ooh. Okay, it's starting to break below a 15 minutes, so I don't like that one. I was hoping it wouldn't break below here, but that's why I'm saying I want to see where it's gonna close. If it close below here, then it's going to come all the way down now to this area 274. Yep, I do think so. As you can see, it's pushing really hard now. And there's 5 more minutes left for. Devious pullback. No. Okay, I see what you mean. Yeah, look at where that candle closed. It closed very bearish. So I do think it wanna come back to our zone here. And our zone is right in here. Because that was actually our initial entry, right? So if it even comes in here, rejects off, it's still valid. That I do think like my prediction for gold is this week 2761. See this blue line here. So it's strong bullish, but it has to pull back somehow. I wouldn't hold this trade now. I would close this trade. If you didn't take profit, I would close this trade now. Because it's gonna come all the way down. It's gonna even come where our stop loss area was. So yeah. At least we caught a TP1. And if you were trading with me this morning also, you would have made nice profits also. So yeah. This year we're focusing on gold. Damn. It could just come back to my entry and reject off and then push up again. We don't know what price want to do, but this 15-minute candle that closes now is going to determine what the next move is going to be. So what I mean by that is I can already see the structure, right? We're making a strong pullback. This is a good pullback. If it comes all the way to this area again and it rejects like this nice wick here, it's going to continue up. But if it closes here and doesn't give us a rejection, then it's going to come all the way down here to this gap and fill all of this before it continues up. So make your decision whether you're gonna hold or whether you're gonna stay in this trade. I actually have still one more position open, so if it reaches my entry, I'm going to close that position. So I just want to see what it's gonna do now. Okay, now I was saying I'm waiting for that 15-minute candle to close. It's 2 more minutes before that candle close, and now the bullish momentum is starting again, so it looks good. Sorry, very much tired. You see, just before that 15-minute candle closed, and I said if it's closing below that previous low, I'm going to close my trade also. It's a good thing I took profits on that first dip, Ah, it's going to drop now. It's gonna drop. Just the way it closed, I can already see, you know. This pullback is not done yet, but then also, sure, I was about to close. Look at that. Now I think gold is playing with us. It wants to drop. Ah, I'm out. I'm about to get out. Okay, I close all my positions now. I do think it's going to pull back, so I close all my positions. I'm glad I took some profits. I could see that gold. Let's look at the setup. Now I can definitely see this bearish closing candle is very strong. I'm about to end the live at 8. So it's in our time, 10 minutes in 10 minutes time. You see, that's how I knew it's gonna close now. If the fact that this candle closed below this low, it's clear indication that it wants to pull back more. Um, do I think it's gonna come here? Yes, but it is 8:20 to 8, so the momentum normally just dies down from 8. From 8 you will see still momentum till 9, but then it dies down. That's why I always come to the market before 7, so I can get the momentum that comes in with the 7 p.m. I do think it wants to come back here at 2740. Once it gives a rejection, look at how it's breaking a previous low. So that is indication of the bearish momentum is starting now. So I'm out. We took some profits around there, and now we like one is two. We entered around here. So around here, we took that profits there, And now, as you can see, it's at the entry again. This was actually my initial end. Oops, my battery is about to die. So yeah, guys, that is it for tonight. I'll see you guys on the next live on Thursday. I don't trade on Wednesday. Um, we are in a bullish market. My forecasting for this week is that we're gonna be very much bullish. I do think it price wants to go to 2761. We might just take a buy on Thursday. I never know. We never know. We'll see. But this pullback is strong. For market structure to be valid, price must pull back to 2733, 2733. So that is my forecast for tomorrow. I think it's going to pull back all the way to here. That's why I wouldn't look for any buys right now any longer. Um, yeah, it was a good setup. It was a good setup. A quick one, but like I said, we gold was blessing us. It hit my stop loss before it actually when it broke out here for the second time. That's when I entered around 2722 around here this morning, and all of this to 2733. And look where we are now. As you can see, it's just making higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. So yeah, if you're still in this trade, good luck. Um, use proper risk management. I mean, I have a 218. My stop loss was about here, 18 pip stop loss. So if I was in this trade, thank you. See you guys next Thursday. Thursday. I just saw that week on the 15 minute and I was like, what? This week is a perfect week. This is a beautiful week. I wouldn't be surprised if gold still goes all the way up now. I just want to see what's gonna happen now with 8. I'm gonna end the live at 8 now, but I want to see what way the scanner is gonna close. That's a beautiful close. That police candle is strong though. It's strong. It shows that police momentum is going. I wanted to end this live, but then I saw this week now, and I'm like, what? Look at this week. I just wanna see how it's gonna play out. It's 5 minutes. Wow, this was a good entry also at 2741. Even when you at the break of a candle. Still 50 pops. See, our TP2 was right here, 2741. Yeah, but that is sometimes what happens. Sometimes it doesn't hit your TP2, then you have to take your profits at TP1 and be satisfied with it. It's almost 8, so I normally just do the live stream for an hour. It's 4 minutes before that. But that our TP1 was hit at 2745,500 and it pulled back. It's 8 o'clock, so I do think price wants to is going to continue down now. It's gonna pull back to my to 2740 around there. So yeah, but that 15 minute looked good though, I must say. Let's check. Yeah, I see it's still in the zone, yeah. Cold. And this is what I said. I said it's gonna pull back to 2740. But it's gonna come down even more because it's still a strong bearish momentum coming into the market. According to structure, this Buy buy setup is still valid, but it's now 8 o'clock. That 15 minute is about to close. The fact that it closed so strongly, bearish, I think it's going to come all the way down here so that it can come and grab this liquidity at the bottom. As you can see, that this was the first breakout. So um, it's pushing. It's pushing nicely up now. So let's see what's it gonna do. I do think it's like the bearish momentum is really strong. Like it might look like it wants to go up. That was our see how TP2 is around there. The zone is still holding that bullish momentum. And gold is overall bullish. So interesting to see what price is going to do at this area now. Whether it's gonna shot up or whether it's gonna drop. Because it is due for a pullback, a further pullback. Let's see, maybe we can get maybe it's just decide again to come to that TP2 area right here, 2755. Is already late, so but that is a good entry. That was actually the perfect entry, 2740.27. Yep, it's moving. If it goes above here, then it's definitely going up. Or even if it closes above here, then we can expect price to hit our TP. I knew it like 20 seconds. The sellers are they're pushing hard though. But gold is strong bullish and we must make use of this bullish run. You can make a lot of money on this bull run if you know when to enter. There we go. I was planning to end the live at 8, but then I saw I need to see this. I need to set out the setup. Because look at that beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful. Whew, stunning. Oh, my phone is 100%. Chance. Here's the move that we were waiting for the whole time. Let's go, gold. She's pushing now. She's pushing. See, our zone is still valid and price just shot up, giving us a beautiful bullish momentum coming in at 8 o'clock. I thought that the market's going to slow down, but momentum just came in. I said that gold is in a bullish run. We can expect highs being taken out now. Close, close, close. Beautiful. Now my first entry was right like above here, and then we took profits here, and then it came back ultimately to where my zone is, and it's starting to move. And there's our TP2, and I am sure it's gonna hit my TP2 right tonight. So here we go. It's beautiful, man. Stunning gold. I'm saying that this it's strong pulleys, and look at this. If it close above there, then we know. Okay, I'm gonna end this live now. It's time for me to take a break. But definitely, I do think it's gonna go to 2747. This is a good trade setup. I'm not gonna set it out on the live, but yeah, I'm gonna watch it on my phone. Um, Thank you guys for watching. See you on Thursday.